This Studio 44 typewriter has been refurbished and it is ready to type. It has a really nice, clear, easy to read font. This typewriter looks really nice overall. Like any vintage machine, it does have a few nicks and scratches and just a little spot here. There's a little spot. Right, here's a little scuff. But overall, it's in very nice condition and looks great and types really well. This typewriter also comes with this original case and a reprinted user's manual. The case is in pretty good shape, but it does have some scuffs and scratches and marks on it. And the cloth interior does have some stains and marks on it, but overall it looks pretty good. And it is solid and will protect the typewriter.